Anything a landscape contractor would need for their job, we're the one-stop shop that sells it all. I'm Mike Formont. I'm the fleet manager at SiteOne, and we've been working with Prestige for about 2 years. SiteOne is the largest wholesale distributor of landscape supplies. If you think about anything that you would need in your yard, if you're trying to do some sort of project, that's what we sell. Prestige manages the maintenance and repairs on just about all of our trucks across Georgia and Alabama. We have a preventative maintenance schedule set up, so their techs come out and do the maintenance on that schedule, and then repairs as well. Essentially, they're our point of contact when we have truck issues. They keep me up to date. We have sit-down catch-ups to see where we're at within the maintenance schedule. So we communicate at that level, and then also, they're communicating with the dispatch supervisors, drivers, letting them know where we stand with it. There's value in the lack of downtime by, one, just having a preventative maintenance schedule, keeping our trucks moving that way, but also the after-hour service to allow our trucks to be working during the day and serving our customers instead of sitting at a shop or waiting for service to be done.